Hello again, everybody. New research has found a new strain of bacteria which could be the key to unlocking the secrets of IBS. Gut health and immunology expert Dr. Kay Burley, who has been at the forefront of this study, is with us now. Hi, good morning.
Hi,
Tell me
good morning.
more.
Thank you for inviting me on the show. So, IBS is a huge problem. So, irritable bowel syndrome affects about 1 in 5 people in the general population. That's 1 in 5 people who have to think about things that for the rest of us we don't even consider. And that can be things like going out for a meal and having to carefully scrutinise the menu choices to make sure that you eat something that isn't going to trigger your condition. And these are just the people that are diagnosed. Actually, up to a third of people can experience IBS-like symptoms, but just put up with them. We see people sort of suffering in silence over this condition. They'll experience things like bloating, diarrhoea, stomach cramps, but they just accept them and get on with them. And so what we're doing is looking at how we can help these people and let them know that there are solutions and they don't have to just put up with these symptoms.
So tell me about the new research.
The new research that we've done is looking at why don't some of the conventional probiotics work in people who have a stressed gut. We know that, again, stress is a huge problem in our society. 60% of people say they feel stressed on a weekly basis, and that can wreak havoc with our guts. I think if anybody has ever been for a job interview or done something that they feel a bit nervous about, then they'll have felt there's butterflies in their stomach. And that sort of highlights the link between our brain and our gut. And a stressed gut can be quite a hostile environment to some of the species that are conventionally used as probiotics. Things like lactobacilli and bifidobacteria, the things that most people turn to when they're looking for a probiotic. Those bugs don't do well in a stressed gut or a gut that has an active flare-up of a condition. So at the times when people need them the most, they just can't work. So what we're doing is looking to find different probiotics that can survive in that environment.
Well, how do you do that?
So my background is in immunology. I'm really interested in the gut immune system and how bacteria within the gut can interact with that. And what we started off doing was, this has been done over 10 years research at the University of Bristol. We came up with a blueprint for what we'd want to see in a probiotic. What would we want it to do? How would we like it to behave? And then we set about screening hundreds of different strains to find something that ticked all of those boxes. And that's what we've done. We've found an isolate of Streptococcus thermophilus, which is a bacteria that's traditionally used in the food industry. It's used in most yogurt starter cultures. But we've got a rather unique strain that can survive and thrive in a stressed gut and can help to soothe down the troubles that people have within their guts.
So what happens next?
So we have a product on the market now which we've put this bacteria into. It's a product called Ferrocalm. What we're doing is we're really trying to open those conversations with people in the IBS community, find out what their problems are and how we can help with that. At the moment, we're conducting trials of this product. We've just completed our first trial. We're moving into the second phase of that now. And we're finding that this product is really helping people to reduce their IBS symptoms.
That's brilliant. Well, do keep in touch with us, won't you, and
Absolutely.
tell us as the screening progresses and
Yes.
the trials. Thank you very much,
Thank
Dr.
you.
Burley. Thank you.
Thank
Let's
you.
bring in